Hi everyone, this is Mary with truDigital. truDigital is an easy-to-use, plug-and-play digital signage platform. One common use case for our platform happens to be digital menus for restaurants and other retail environments. Our affordable digital signage platform can help you bring your menus to life. With many customizable menu templates, we make creating and publishing menus to your television screens simple and easy. We also offer in-house design services if you'd like to create something specific to your restaurant or retail store. Our digital signage makes updating menu pricing fast and easy. No more changing physical menus. Our digital menu templates make it simple to highlight specials and other high-profit menu items, building additional revenue for your business. We're going to jump right in, and to start, you'll go to your template library up here at the top. I'm going to go ahead and use this search menu in the top left, and I'm going to search menu board. And this is going to bring up our menu board options. As you can see, we do have a few different options here from menu board 2 up to menu board 8. And the best way to really go through and see which one you would want to use and edit to your needs is to just select it and click on preview. And here you'll see we have plenty of text options as well as this rotating image on the right-hand side. And we preview menu board 3 with that different layout. We have the text options as well as these rotating images in the bottom corners. And with menu board 4, you won't see the rotating images on this one, but you still have that ability to add and customize to your needs. And while going through these, just keep in mind that you can also change the background image on any of these menu boards to customize them to your particular brand or company. And once you've decided which menu board you want to use, I'm going to go ahead and select the menu board 3, and you just click install. Once that menu board has installed, it brings us back to my templates. And once here, we're going to go ahead and make our edits to the template. And we'll go ahead and select this and click on edit. And once that loads for us, you'll see the preview of the template that we chose for menu board template 3. And you'll select edit template once more in the top left. Here you'll see these red boxes, and I'll simply click on one to make my change. And you can see I'll just type in exactly what I want it to display and select save. Also, if I want to change out the images in the bottom corners, you'll go ahead and just click on that block. Here I can upload directly from my computer, or you can use any photos that you've already uploaded, and you simply click and drag from the right to the left. And then I'm going to go ahead and just clear out these top 2, which were the preview slides that were already within that template. Once I have my images showing here, I'll go ahead and save. And once you've made all the changes to the template, we'll go ahead and select Save Changes in the top left, and then Save Changes once more. And now we'll see the preview with the change that I made with that menu title, as well as the rotating images in that bottom corner. So now that we see that those have saved, we'll go ahead and click on Back in the top left. And now to add it to my display, to my live playlist, I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit under my live playlist. And you'll simply click the menu board and drag it from the right side over to the left. Now you'll see it listed under your live playlist. Once we see it there, I'll go ahead and select Save. Now that I have that menu board included under my live playlist, that content will start displaying shortly on your screen. For more information on our truDigital offering or for a complete demo of our platform, contact our team at trudigital.com or 801-609-3465. Thanks so much for watching.